The thing about this car is, this is my dream car. Yeah, Gavin, I had to take the car for a cruise. And I look good driving this car.
Gonna race that thing, man?
Do a little walk around, see what we got. Abracadabra. We try half inch. All right, I got two. We got a brake TJ. Wow, that's rare right there. Gonna find some money, here's mine. Where you going, Devin? With the cute socks. How you miss a gear and you drive automatic? All right, back to work. What's up, DCB fam? It's your boy Dom, back with another video, starting our series on Gavin's 67 Rally Sport Camaro. And man, I'm excited, man. This thing, it's about to be a project. I'm about to go through everything on the video, pretty much gonna explain to y'all everything we're gonna do today on it. This car is gorgeous, man. I mean, it has little minor surface rust on it, just little normal things you're gonna see on a car this age. But as far as canvas of the car, it's solid. The thing about this car is, this is my dream car. Man, I love the 69, 68, 67 Camaros. Having this car in my shop right now got me pumped up. It's hard to find a car like this. Original interior. I mean, everything on it is just gorgeous. And here's the thing, you know, here at Dom's Paint Body, we do pretty much 99% insurance claims. A lot of people don't know, but I turn down probably 10, 15 restoration jobs a year. I don't like fooling with them. We might do one here or there, but when Gavin came to me with this car, I couldn't turn it down, because I mean, this car right here is just a beauty, man. I'm gonna treat this thing like it's mine, you know, to take care of my boy. So I'm really excited to see his face when he picks this thing up. I got a couple of surprises. For as color, we're gonna keep it original. We're gonna go back with the original stripe. We're gonna go back with original grills. This grill here is a little dry rot. We're gonna keep the bumpers. We have new emblems, new trim. Definitely gotta do something like this. All the trim here looks good. Glass is perfect on it. It's just a beautiful car to get started with. And this is why I turned down a lot of restoration jobs, because when you gotta get into cutting metal and, you know, changing floor pans and all that other crazy stuff, I don't like taking cars that far. Pretty much what we're gonna do as far as under the hood is just get everything cleaned up in here. It's not that bad. These are subframe with like a unibody setup on them. That's what makes these cars a little lighter than your normal older cars. But we're gonna clean up under here, all this surface rust. I'm gonna get all this sandblast. We're gonna powder coat everything under here. That way he won't have to worry about no more surface rust. All this stuff here will be powder coated black under the hood. But for the most part, the car is very straight. Couple little waves in it here and there. This is the thing I love about these, the hideaway headlights. We're gonna get the glass cut out so we can clean up all behind this trim. I mean, normally this stuff is all rusted out, but it's pretty clean right here. Let's check out the inside. For the most part, man, this thing is like brand new quality of the interior and everything. I mean, look at this dash, man. This thing is, man, you're a lucky guy, Gavin. This car's been through a lot. It has a history. I watched Gavin's video and he was saying how this thing was doing Hurricane Rita. His dad ran from that storm. He ran from Katrina. Man, that's crazy, man. I mean, his dad, like, really saved his car, man. It's pretty cool. The other thing about this car is, man, it don't have a motor in it, but boy, I sure would like to drive this thing. Ain't gonna be to go too fast, but I just had to drive this car, man. 67 Camaro. Yeah, Gavin, I had to take the car for a cruise, man. I'm just, you know. Oh, yeah. Man, I look good driving this car. This is how you drive a 67. You gotta be cool. You gotta kind of do the little beard thing. Somebody pass, you gotta go, hey. You know, you gotta look professional. Gavin got to put a radio on this thing now. pull in the shop and get the party started. All right, DCV fam, we got the car back in the shop, and now I'm about to work a little magic. Gotta get it eye level so that I can see underneath the car, and then I'm gonna introduce y'all to the guy that's gonna be fully disassembling the car. But for now, let's get it up in the air. See if we can get it up. Man. All right, that's good right there. We're gonna hold it right there. All right, so now we got it up in the air. My little Jedi trick right there. Get that up. Oh no, it was TJ, my bad. So I wanna introduce y'all to my boy TJ. He's new here at the shop. TJ is gonna be doing all the disassembling on this car. TJ is he's a specialist on disassembling and reassembling restoration. We got a little rust right here, nothing major, but this is my first time looking under the car. Let's do a little walk around, TJ, see what we got. So first we'll get the bumpers off, get the grills, headlight covers off, get this, look like some signal lights right here. We're gonna take all this trim off. Pretty much we'll do the whole front cap, and then we'll move on to the doors, and then from there, we'll do the back, get the back done. So, ready to get started?
Oh yeah, for sure.
All right, so we got our Ziploc bags. We're going to bag and tag every bolt on this car. Gonna make sure nothing gets lost, so when we go to reassemble it, we got everything we need. We're not losing no bolts, because you lose a bolt on a 1967.
Yeah, 67.
Yeah, you can't just go run the, you know, Advanced Auto and grab one. So, cool thing about this lift, the reason I love this lift so much, we can turn the whole car. It just makes life a little easier when you're working on these restoration jobs. So we can see, got a little natural light on it. And then if we need to see the other side, so that's why I love this lift. It's like made for these cars. That's the problems we're gonna run into.
Yeah.
Some of them bolts we probably gonna have to replace them when they rusted like that.
You just spin it?
I don't even know, I'm holding it down.
I can't seem to fit this thing in there.
Let me see. Huh. Yeah, you gotta get a wrench in it now. It look like this bracket is a little more bent, a little tweaked compared to this one. Yeah, we can get these out, then we'll get the grill and headlights out. So the bugs just don't slide out on this.
Yeah,
back.
these don't come out, see?
Okay, cool. Okay, so we got disconnected here. I
Yeah.
see. And then we're gonna put the brackets back in them and put the bolts on them.
Okay.
So that way, this will all be assembled, so we know.
So we just screw it back on.
Exactly. Fully assemble them back. Put your brackets on there. And put these speed nuts and tighten everything back on here. Abracadabra. We try 1/2 inch. All this stuff is gonna be standard, so we got to get us an SK2 sponsor. Get some SK2s in this shop. All right, I got 2. We gotta break TJ in. Yeah. There we go. You got it? You gotta kind of do like that.
Bro, he needs some buzz. Hey, everybody want my pocket off though when I come out.
We had to break them in, bro. You all right, bro?
Oh, I'm good.
You wanna go check your pants? Oh, yeah.
I'm about to take himself out the game.
Hey, he a G, though. That boy graduated, man. That boy didn't flinch. All right, back to work. It's broken. This stuff been on here for a long time. You can go ahead and we'll get these off. Look how long this thing is.
Yeah, that stuff is falling apart.
Get this out of the way. Look how brittle this stuff is. Brittle. It's like this trim stays on.
And it's supposed to just slide off.
It kind of comes out, yeah. There you go. Check that out. That's what they use for insulation. Wow, that's rare right there. I don't want to mess up insulation, but we're gonna have to pull it off. Go back with probably some Dynamat in the door, and probably some type of modern plastic for sound.
Oh, this is like paper.
Yeah, that's all it is. We're gonna go back with some stuff a little better than this stuff. Wow, look what we got in here. If I find some money, here's mine. Think this thing been sitting under a tree? Ain't too bad. Still got the factory blown in insulation. It's a little rusty in there though. We got to clean that up. Let's roll this window up.
Ooh, that whole side of the door is rusty.
Yeah, you see that, huh?
Yeah. It almost look like it's flaking, yeah.
Yeah, got to get inside of there and blast that, because if you don't blast it, you'll put that fresh paint on it and it'll make your paint bubble. There we go. This little clip holds that on. Pull that key lock out. All right, got that out. Now, door handle. Yeah, it's gonna be two 8mm. This is what we're gonna do with the trim. See, I took this piece of trim off. Leave the screws in there.
We're gonna put tape.
Tape them on there. Yeah, that way we ain't gotta worry about losing screws. Bam. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's way up there. That's why I'm letting you do it, because I can't reach it. Alright, we're gonna get new gaskets. Alright, let's put both of the bolts in here. Screw them in tight so we don't lose them.
Got this one out. We got someone inside this door right here. Get this little small magnet so you can get this little bolt out. Got it. Comes with some on the bottom.
Let's see what's hiding in this door panel. Huh. Just a bunch of leaves. So while TJ's fighting that handle, trying to show y'all where we at on it. So we got this door pretty much fully disassembled. We gotta get these lower moldings off these doors, but I'm gonna have to take like a skinny cutoff wheel and make me a nice clean line to put a big flathead screwdriver. There's a small flathead, but it's all rusted out. And then the inside, there's a bunch of 10mm right here, so that's to get that one off. These here come off just regular Phillips, and these here just snap on. Oh yeah. Got it off yet, TJ?
I got it here, but I can't put it on.
Come on, bruh. What's going on with TJ, man? I think TJ losing his mojo. He been on this car for a minute. All right, let's see what we get. So we got the header panel off, grill. Hadn't took the lower valence off yet. We're gonna wait on that. We got the covers for the headlights off. Everything looks pretty solid. So this panel has been worked on before. You can see right here where it's been tankered with. We're gonna make that right. We got the turn signals out, emblems. These screws are too rusted. We're gonna have to cut them out. Gonna take this off once we get the fender off. How you coming, TJ?
I don't even want to go on that.
Come on, man. So you got the first one? I see
Yeah,
it's,
I got the first one off.
so you trying to get the back one off. It takes time and patience to take apart a car like this. You know, just show y'all the difference. Like, I got a 2020 Silverado. I mean, look at this. I can bend that with my hand and back. I mean, this whole thing is aluminum in the front. I mean, we got Dodge Nitro. You know, it's pretty solid for what it is, but it's all plastic. Everything plastic. That's all plastic. Uh-oh. It's coming off. All right, here we go. See, TJ the man for the job, because I got these big old hamburger patty hands.
Hi, I can help.
Oh, there we go. So this is the gasket that goes in between the door handle and the actual shell skin of the door to keep it from, you know, corroding. So we got to get new ones, because look at that, dry rot it. All right, here go you. Put your bolts in there, TJ. But like I was saying, showing how solid this car is. You look at this thing here. This dude got the snot knocked out of him. And I mean, everything. Well, this thing has a metal radiator support, but look how weak it is. Look at that. Look how I can move that. And you go to this thing over here, I mean, I can kick it. It ain't doing nothing. I mean, this thing is solid. But these old schools are a lot more heavier. So look who's back, man. Light them up. He must ain't got no gas in the car.
That's all you got?
Hey, I say he must be running low on gas, because normally you let him rip.
I ain't do it, it did it.
Oh, okay. It's the car.
Hey, but you're right, I am low on fuel.
I already know. Oh, that's cool. Whoa, what do we have here?
Original, baby.
I think that's the emergency boat. That's what it is. Pop that one out.
Emergency trunk release.
Yeah, emergency trunk release. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get these tail lights out, TJ. That boy, TJ, boy. That boy certified, D.
Certified master stripper.
Yep. Look how dirty he is. He been rolling in the dirt all day. Y'all don't never run up on TJ. Look at that.
That boy gonna cut you.
Ooh, that boy ain't playing no games, D.
Keep that thing on.
Right. Where you going, Devin? With them cute socks? You trying to run? Let's see them socks, man.
Nah, bro, come on, man.
Come on, man.
You can see toes through them suckers, quick.
Come on, man. All right, let's get this back bump off. That's why that thing was driving so smooth, man.
That's crazy. They didn't do that back in the day.
Nah, that was an upgrade. He upgraded on that one.
All right, we out.
All right, man. Y'all be safe. Take care of them socks.
Hey, man, tell them boys about me. Man in the Hat coming soon.
Devin about to launch his YouTube channel. It's called Man in the Hat.
Yeah, man, I'm trying to get my videos done, man. What we got?
So,
I'm trying to get my videos done.
so what you calling your channel, D?
I don't know yet. Man in the Hat.
What you gonna do on your channel, D?
Dumb stuff.
Look at that. See that? Always got food. Devin gonna have a...
With the fresh fettuccine noodles.
Yeah. Hold up. So he got his sauce ready. He just ain't bought his noodles. Man, you got fuel, bro. Man, I want to see a burnout, bro.
Nah, man, I ain't got tire money.
How you miss a gear and you drive an automatic? All right, let's get back on this thing. Let's look at this body while we got it eye level right now. What we gonna do here, we're gonna get a magnet on it, see if we can find some body filler. Now this thing is... got no filler on this side. Well, she passed the old body filler test. Well, DCV fam, it has been a long day. We got a lot of work done. Well, TJ got a lot of work done. I've been running the shop, but I gave my hand on some stuff. We got about, probably about 60% of the car disassembled. A lot of stuff took a little longer than anticipated because these bolts got a lot of rust on them. So we're gonna have to, go back with the same size, but we're gonna replace all these. For the most part though, everything going smooth. We should be able to come in here tomorrow, get all the trim off, start getting all of the interior out so I can see the floor under that carpet, which I think is fine, but I gotta look at it just to be 100%. But like I said, for the most part, looking inside of here, you can kind of see all the coating, undercoating that's in here. It looks good in this driver door. Passenger side door had a little bit more surface rust, but we're gonna blow all this out real good. And I got some rust treatment we'll put in there just for the little surface rust, just so we don't have to worry about nothing coming back. We got the glass guys coming tomorrow to cut the windshield and the back glass out. But pretty much that's it. TJ, you got something to say? Are you ready to go home?
I'm ready to go home, but it's getting there though.
Getting there? Having fun?
Oh yeah, for sure.
That's what's up, man. Well, look, man, first episode of Restoration on the 67. See y'all the next one.